what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today it is a cold and gloomy day. So I am extra comfy and it's just gonna be a fun chill video because I've been purchasing a lot of home decor lately since I'm trying to fix up my office, my dining nook, and just a few things here and there around my home just so I can get it perfect because it doesn't feel quite perfect yet. But I wanted to go ahead and share those items with you guys. So I picked up a bunch of different home decor and I'm really excited to show you because I love everything that I've gotten so far. And remember, if you're interested in anything, I will have everything linked down below for you. So all of the different home decor pieces that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are from either Ikea, Urban Outfitters, World Market, Amazon, H&M, and another item is actually from a small shop that actually gifted it to me, but I really love it, so I wanted to share that with you guys too. Okay, first let's start off with Ikea because I got the majority of my stuff from there. The first item are these baskets. You probably have them, your best friend probably has them, everybody has them. But I've been wanting them for such a long time and I just never got them. But since I'm working on my office soon, I thought these would be awesome because it comes in a pack of 3. The little one I already had put in my bathroom. The larger ones I'm gonna have in the office so I could put some like electronic supplies and things like that just to keep things tucked away in my new shelves that I have coming in. So I'm really excited about these, super simple. And these are $12.99 for the whole 3-pack. Next, I got some other baskets and these are specifically for plants. I really wanted these for plant hangers. So with the macrame or jute hangers that I have, I can just use this and it just keeps everything really neutral. And these are not heavy at all. So for hanging plants, I love anything lightweight like this because it doesn't add a lot of extra weight when you're hanging a plant, and that's the last thing you want is extra added weight. And these are only $5.99 each, so I got 2. I thought it was worth it, so love these. Okay, next item, which is also plant related, is this plant stool, plant stand, whatever you want to call it. It will just fit in a little corner, simple, and this is only $14.99, so really like this one. Okay, now moving away from plant related decor, the next Ikea item that I have are some frames. I just got these little frames. It actually opens up like this. I just decided to put some Polaroids until I find some other pictures to use and stuff because I can't remember the last time I had printed pictures. I just have Polaroids because of my friends, so I need to get my hands on some physical photos. But I got these because they're really simple and cute, and I've been keeping this one in my bedroom, but I wanted to have another one so I can also have some pictures in my office. So I really want to start incorporating some pictures of friends and family in my home. And these were only $4.99 each, so I got 2 of those. All right, let's move on to something else for the bedroom that is super nice and cozy. And that is this throw blanket that I got. First I got in this because I thought I wanted it for the living room. I just realized that it was super heavy, which is nice. I love that. But for the living room, I didn't feel like I wanted that type of throw blanket. So this one I ended up putting in the bedroom and it looks so nice. Since I just have a normal quilt on there, this just added a lot more texture and warmth to the bedroom. And I paired it with this pillow cover so you can see all the nice neutral tones. They look so good together. So love these items. The blanket was $29.99 and the pillow cover is $8.99. Okay, next thing that I got from Ikea is a lamp that I have in my bedroom. At first I had my eye on this desk lamp that was sold out, unfortunately, but obviously once you're in the little light section, you're just looking at all the cute lights. And then I saw this cute little lamp that just reminded me about camping and being in a cabin and being in the outdoors, and it was just so cute. They have this one in a black, in a olive green, and then this cute like burgundy red color. I was really close to getting the green one, but I was like, I have a lot of green. And this one I thought would just pop with like my neutrals and stuff. So yeah, that's why this one just really caught my eye. And what's cool about this one is that you can adjust it so it could be like really nice and dim or a little bit brighter, but no matter what, it just makes the room feel super nice and moody. And this one was $24.99. Okay, so that's all of the Ikea items. Next, let's move on to World Market. I only got 2 items from there. So this item is very plant related again. I got another plant stand. I don't even know where I'm gonna have this one yet. I just knew that I needed some more plant stands because I have a lot of plants and pots and I was in desperate need of some more plant stands. And this one was $34.99. Okay, now second and final thing that I got from World Market are curtains for my living room. And I decided to get the same curtains that I have for my dining nook and bedroom, which are just these ivory colored curtains. So they just come in these little baggies, but this is the color of the curtains. But I've been wanting to add curtains into my living room lately, so yeah, I'm really excited. So they just come like this. They're called natural crinkle tie tops. So you just tie it on the top. So this is what it means by crinkly, and that is the color. So just a nice ivory color. And I didn't want anything too heavy. These are really nice because they let a lot of sun through and they add the perfect amount of texture and they're not super white. I love these curtains. And these were $29.99 and they come with 2 panels. Okay, so next items are from H&M, and I think this is like barely the second time that I've purchased from H&M, but I do love everything that they have there. And this last purchase reassured me that their products are really, really good and really affordable. Okay, so let's start off with some pillows. I love these pillows. You have to purchase the pillow insert separately, so just keep that in mind. But these pillow covers. Okay, so these are their cotton velvet pillows. They come in so many different colors, but of course I had to get the beige one. Ikea actually has some very, very similar to this. I would say that they're basically the same thing. But anyways, I love these pillows so, so much. These are the 20 by 20s, so just so you can take a look, they fit perfectly for my couch. And of course, I got 2 of these. They're so perfect. I honestly love these pillows so much. And those velvet pillow covers are only $9.99. And then I think the inserts are also around that same price, so just keep that in mind. Okay, and then the last item that I got from H&M, which is an item that was always out of stock every time I checked. Comes in 2 different sizes, but I decided to get the small one and now I regret not getting the larger one. But it is their ceramic vase. Everybody has this one. You see it all over Instagram. It's just like the perfect neutral vase. And as of lately, I keep it on my dresser with some eucalyptus, but I really want to get some pampas grass. You know what I'm talking about. Pampas grass. I want to get those cute little ones and have this one on there. Oh, it's so cute. So I just got the small size. I can't remember how much it is because it doesn't show you on the website anymore, but I do know that the large one is $34. So I think this one was probably like 24 or 28, something like that. So once the large one is back in stock, I'm definitely getting it so I can have both. And I also purchased something else that went out of stock, so they refunded me and stuff, which is unfortunate. But I'm gonna be shopping on H&M Home a lot more after this purchase. I just love it so much. Okay, the next item is from a small shop that actually reached out to me to give me something for my office makeover, and I love it so much. It's this cute letter board, and it comes with a bunch of letters so you can add your own little quotes and stuff. And I couldn't really think about what to write, so I just put my, I guess, motto or little quote that I like to tell myself, which is do now, complain later, which I don't know if anybody else says this. I don't know if it's an actual quote or whatever, but I know I started telling myself do not complain later when I was in high school doing volleyball and basketball. And you know, like those moments when you just can't anymore when it comes to like exercise, I would just tell myself do now, complain later, because once you're done, there's really nothing to complain about and you overcame something. So that's kind of something that I've stuck to besides just working out. I would do that when I'm procrastinating something. It would be like, okay, do it now, complain later, and then you're done and there's literally nothing to complain about. So I just have that on here for now, but I'm really excited to just be changing it up. It's really good, solid wood. Really love the quality. And this one is $39.99 on their website, but they also have like felt ones, different colored wood, and a bunch of other stuff. Okay, now moving on to one of our faves, which is Amazon, of course. And let's get started with some plant stuff. I got a pack of these plant hangers. So they're just jute hangers, they're really simple, but what I had in mind is getting one of my Ikea pots and having it like this. And these came in a 2-pack for $9.99. Okay, so second thing that I got from Amazon are some wall hooks that I've been wanting to add to my entryway, and these are super cute. So this is what they look like. They come in a pack of 6. Let me show you. And they're just gonna be like that, and you could just put them however you want, and I love them. They're super cute. I'm gonna be installing these soon. I'm gonna be making my changes soon, so hopefully by next time you guys will see those changes. And like I said, these come in a pack of 6 and they're $23.88. Okay, now last and final thing that I got are some more frames, but these are different, and you can either put them on a table or anything, or you could hang them. So I'm probably just gonna use them to hang up some wall art. Right now I have one in my bathroom, and I love the way that it looks above my rattan shelf. I love just a simple, clean look. I used to be all about black frames and stuff, but lately it's just sticking to woods and neutrals. So these are pretty great because they came in a pack of 3 and they're only $19.99. The only thing though that you should know is that it's not glass. It's just like that really tough material. I don't even know what it's called. Is it like plastic or something? I don't know, but it's not glass. So to me, that's even better because honestly, like you can't tell the difference once you have the art on there. And if it ever falls, it's not gonna break and shatter or anything. So I personally prefer that. Okay, so last and final decor piece. Well, technically it's also like a furniture piece, but anyways, the last item that I got is from Urban Outfitters, and I cannot hold it or anything because it's actually like a furniture piece, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. But this is my beautiful, beautiful bench. I love it so much. I think it's perfect for this entryway right next to my arched mirror. It's literally what was missing in my entryway, and I love it. So this wood is a mango wood similar to my coffee table, and it's like the perfect size for right here under my window. And then once I have my curtains up, it's gonna look so good. Again, it's from Urban Outfitters. This one is $189, which I felt super comfortable with considering it's mango wood and it's actually made in India. So I went ahead and splurged on it, and I just know I'm gonna have it for a really, really long time. Alright, you guys, that is it for my home decor haul. I hope that you enjoyed watching. And again, if you like any of the items, everything will be linked down below. Let me know what your favorite item was. I think for me, it would have to be the bench and my vase and the nightlight. I love everything, obviously, can you not tell? But yeah, let me know what your favorite decor pieces were down below in the comments. Also, a little reminder, if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that you've seen around my home, you can click on the link at Shop My Home, and that's gonna take you to my website and show you everything from my decor, my furniture, my plant decor, all that stuff. So if you guys are ever interested in getting some home decor ideas, then definitely check out the Shop My Home option on my website, and hopefully that'll help you guys get a little bit of inspo when shopping for your home. And like always, if you guys have any questions at all, then go ahead and let me know in the comments or send me a message. I'm always checking my DMs, and a bunch of you have already sent me really, really sweet messages on Instagram about how you found my YouTube channel and that you're feeling super inspired and stuff, and honestly that means so much to me. So if you guys want to chat, then definitely hit me up on Instagram because I'm always responding to DMs on there. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate you being here. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next video.